Yan o, kamusta mga port? Ano nang balita sa inyo? So for today's video, panibagong laruan na naman ang ating bibigyan ng review. Isa na namang napakabangis na Dragon Ball figure ang ating pag-uusapan. Ito ang Ichiban Kuji Super Dragon Ball Heroes 3rd Mission Last One, Super Saiyan 4 Broly Limit Breaker Masterlize mga port. Kahit kung fan ka ng Dragon Ball Heroes, siguradong alam mo kung gaano ka-overpowered at kaangas ang version na to ni Broly. Pero bago tayo magsimula, ay disclaimer lang mga port. Ang figure na hawak ko ay loose figure, meaning wala na siyang box. Pero overall, maganda pa rin ang condition niya. Malinis mga port. Kaya tignan natin kung karapat dapat pa rin ba siyang isama sa ating mga collection. At shoutout tayo mga port. Shoutout tayo kay Maisky ng Webdeck. Maraming salamat boss sa figure na to. Sa kanya natin po mga nakuha mga port. Kung ikaw ay taga UAE mga port, saan mo sa UAE? Dubai, Fujairah, Abu Dhabi, pwede kang bumisita sa page ni Webdeck. Napakaraming figure na pwede mong pagpilian sa page niya. Kung meron ka rin gustong ipahan na figure, message mo lang siya mga port, baka matulungan ka niya. So yun, wag na natin patagalin to. Magsimula na tayo. Let's begin with a little background about this figure. This Masterlize figure was originally released in Japan on November 12, 2021 bilang last one prize ng Ichiban Kuji Super Dragon Ball Heroes 3rd Mission. To those who are not familiar, ang last one prize ay special reward na makukuha ng bibili ng pinakahuling lottery ticket ng Ichiban Kuji. Ibig sabihin, hindi siya ordinaryong prize. Mas limited siya kumpara sa ibang figures na kasama sa lineup, kaya mas hinahanap siya ng mga collectors. Part din ito ng Masterlize series na kilala sa malalaking scale, premium sculpt, at detailed paint application. Meron siyang height na approximately 25 cm. Kaya naman talagang standout siya pag naka-display. Pagdating naman sa character design, grabe. Ito yata yung pinaka-wild na design ni Broly. Ang character na to ay hindi galing sa main character storyline ng Dragon Ball. Exclusive siya sa Super Dragon Ball Heroes, kung saan halos lahat ng character ay may upgraded transformation. Ang version na ito ay Super Saiyan 4 Full Power Limit Breaker Broly. Mapapansin agad ang napakalaking katawan, napakakapal na muscles, at syempre, ang signature na red bar ng Super Saiyan 4. Pero ang pinaka-highlight dito ay yung black at dark red glossy finish ng buhok at fur. Kapag tinamaan ng ilaw, sobrang ganda ng reflection. Mas premium ang dating kumpara sa ordinary matte finish. Talagang intimidating ang aura niya. The overall design perfectly captures Broly's overwhelming power and uncontrollable rage. Now let's take a closer look at the sculpt. Starting with the head sculpt, the facial expression is absolutely incredible. Broly's eyes are filled with rage, his mouth is open, as if he's letting out a powerful roar. And even the veins on his face have been sculpted with amazing detail. The hair is another highlight. Each spike is sharply sculpted, giving the figure a dynamic appearance from every angle. The glossy finish enhances every strand, making the hair look much more premium than simple matte paint application. Moving down to the body, the muscle definition is outstanding. The chest, shoulders, arms, abs, and back are all heavily detailed with deep sculpted lines that really emphasize Broly's incredible physique. Nothing feels flat or unfinished. Even the fur around the waist, the pants, boots, and accessories feature excellent texture that adds realism to the overall presentation. This is exactly what you expected from a Masterlize figure. One of this figure's strongest features is definitely the paint quality. Simple lang ang kulay niya, pero effective. Yung glossy black and red combination ng buhok at fur ang talagang magbibigay ng premium appearance. Hindi siya sobrang colorful, pero dahil sa shading at gloss effect, mas realistic ang dating. Yung skin tone ay malinis. Actually, kung hindi mo alam na loose figure siya, iisipin mong bagong display piece pa rin. Isa sa mga dahilan kung bakit sobrang sikat ng figure na to ay dahil kakaiba talaga ang finish niya kumpara sa ibang Broly figures. Kapag inilagay mo to sa display cabinet, automatic eye-catcher. Dahil sa laki niyang 25 cm, hindi siya nawawala sa lineup. The aggressive pose, enormous size, and dramatic hair design immediately draw attention. Whether you're displaying it by itself or alongside other Dragon Ball figures, it naturally becomes the centerpiece of the collection. It pairs especially well with figures like Super Saiyan 4 Goku, Super Saiyan 4 Vegeta, Super Saiyan 4 Gogeta, or other Dragon Ball Heroes release. If you're building a Dragon Ball Heroes display, this Broly is definitely one of the best centerpiece figures you can own. Now let's talk about buying it as a loose figure. Maraming collectors ang natatakot bumili ng loose figures. Pero para sa akin, depende pa rin sa kondisyon. Kung kumpleto pa rin naman ang figure, walang damage, walang missing part, at maganda pa ang paint, why not? Makakatipid ka ng malaking halaga kumpara sa sealed copy. Oo naman, iba pa rin ang feeling kapag may original box. Mas collectible talaga yon. Pero kung ang goal mo ay magkaroon ng magandang display nang hindi gumagastos ng sobra, malaking option ang loose figures. At ang Broly na hawak ko, kahit walang box, napaka-solid pa rin yung tignan. So, would I recommend this one? Without a doubt? Absolutely. Here are the pros. Napakalaking figure, premium masterlized scalp, amazing glossy hair and fur, aggressive facial expression, excellent display presence, rare last one price release. Cons? Medyo mahirap na hanapin ngayon. Medyo lang naman. Mas mahal ang sealed version o yung may mga box. At syempre, yun nga, loose figure na siya. Wala na siyang original box. Pero overall, isa ito sa pinaka-astig na Broly figure sa Dragon Ball Heroes line. Kung collector ka ng Dragon Ball, lalo na yung Super Saiyan 4 forms, talagang worthy siyang idagdag sa inyong mga collection. At ayun mga port, anong masasabi nyo sa figure na ito? May ganito na rin ba kayo? Loose ba? O nakasealed pa rin? Comment mo naman below. And that's our vlog for today. Kung bago ka sa channel ko, please huwag mong kalimutan i-click ang subscribe button. Click mo na rin ang notification bell, i-follow mo ako sa Facebook at sa TikTok para updated ka sa mga bago nating video. At lagi niyong tatandaan, collect what you love, enjoy the hobby, and every figure has its own story. I'll see you again sa susunod nating video.